Here we're going to go over how to set up two different rigs to accomplish a very similar goal. If you're running two radios, there's two main ways to do it. You could either run two single PTTs with two downleads on the headset, or you could run a dual channel PTT with one downlead to the headset. So configuring for the dual PTT, we connect one downlead up to the headset, connect the connector, whatever style it is, this one being an ethanol, and now you have one downlead from the headset going to your PTT with two buttons on it to control both net A and net B of the radio. Other option would be to run dual downleads, in which case you would have to connect each side to a separate PTT, configured like so. Also important to note on these OpsCore PTTs, the alligator clip can be removed from side to side. These covers right here can be pried off, and through these holes in the alligator clip you can get a screwdriver through to unscrew it and flip it over to the other side.